Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Happn for beginners. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply gonna go ahead first, open up your app, and upon doing that you will find this kind of interface where you can see these four icons. If you want to use this and this, then you have to purchase the premium plan. Other than that, for this two you can use it. For this profile, if I tap on this, that means I'm rejecting that profile. If I tap on this, that means I'm interested and I have added that person to the crush. If they have also, then I can simply tap on the start a conversation, where I can simply write down them the message and simply send him. Now for that, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna also choose to see their profile. For that, let's go ahead, go back now, and we can do that for further profiles as well. So if you go to this hub section, then we will get plenty of a group where we will be able to check out the exact profile according to that preference. Other than that, we can also go to this map section where we will be able to check out people nearby us. And let's cross this out, and if we go to select section, here we will be able to check out the profiles that have liked our profile. But to check them out, you have to purchase the premium plan, otherwise you won't. And again, if you go to this crushes section, you will be able to check out all of the chats and conversation that you have, and that is it. So this is it, guys. If you have a specific question regarding any feature, let us know in the comments below and we will help you with that. So this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.